Welcome to Flashfiy News. A massive explosion at Smitty supplied lubricant plant in Roseland, Louisiana, sent thick plumes of smoke into the sky, forcing evacuations within a 1-mile radius, including a nearby elementary school. Drone footage captured the fiery scene as oil reportedly rained down in the area, sparking health and environmental concerns. Thankfully, no injuries have been reported, but highways were shut down and air quality monitoring is underway. Stay tuned as officials work to contain the blaze and assess the impact. Thank you.